Good day, everybody. We will describe today lesson 8.7, which is talking about describe cross-section. What is the cross-section? Cross-section is the shape we get when cutting straight through an object. If you have any object and you cut it, so the shape of cutting is the cross-section. Like what? Like the following. If I have drawer like this one, this is a drawer, exercise number 4 here. This is a drawer, okay? I need to divide it into two parts, okay, from inside. So the divider is in a desk drawer is a cross section, considered as a cross section. So we can consider this part here, this part is the cross section, okay, to divide the drawer, and we call it divider, okay, okay. That is parallel to the front of the drawer, parallel to this front drawer. So they are parallel, okay. What is its shape? What do you think about its shape? I think it will take this length. Yes, this is its length because it will be the same as the front shape because it's parallel to. So its length is 8 and its width is, which is the height here, 5. Yes. So length equal 8, width equal 5. So what is this shape? It's a rectangle. In this case, we call this rectangle is a cross section. Okay? This is the meaning of cross section. It depends on the shape. Okay? We have many examples of cross section, as we will see now. If we start move, as you see here, what is the cross section if we take it horizontally from this three-dimensional shape? So a cross section is a two-dimensional shape exposed when three-dimensional figure is sliced. So I have three-dimensional shape like this one, okay, and I slice it horizontally, okay. So what is the shape of this section? It will be a rectangular because it's what? In this case, it's if it's a rectangular prism with a square base, like here, you will find the square. Rectangular prism with square base, so it's a square. The section, horizontal section, is square. What do you think about if I take vertical section like this? Like this one. I take vertical. It will be in the shape of rectangle. So it depends on from which part you will take, will divide the object. Okay? In this case, first case is square. Second, if I have prism like this pyramid with square base, if you cut it vertically, you will find the sliced one is in the shape of rectangle. Okay, let's discuss more example about that section. As a first example here, Rachel and Francesca went to a restaurant that serves rectangular bread rolls. This bread, we call it rectangular bread rolls, okay? Each sliced her roll in a different way. What do the cross section looks like? One of them, Rachel, which is Rachel, divided vertically. So when I divide it in vertical way, I can find it as a rectangle. Because the dimension of the bread is 3, 4, 2. 3, 4 for the length, 3 for the width, and 2 for the height. The section here is a parallel to the front. Front of the bread here in the shape of rectangle. So the slice will be in the shape of rectangle too. And its dimension is 3 and 2 because the height is 2. What about Francesca? Francesca sliced it horizontally. In the case of horizontally, you will find that a parallel shape to the bases or the up and down. Up and down here, its dimension is 4 and its width is 3. In this case, we have a rectangle, its dimension is 3 and 4. Okay? This is how to describe the cross shape. Okay? Next. Example like this. Zachary made a vertical slice that was parallel to the left and the right faces of a bread roll. Okay, so left and right, this shape and this shape. As you see here, this slice is parallel to this one and this one. Okay, so it will be the same. This slice or this cross section will be the same as the front and the backward. Okay, and what are its dimensions? So what is the shape of this one and what are its dimensions? Actually, I think the dimension is different. I have here 4 inch and up to. Yes? Okay, so the section is the shape of rectangle. Okay, that's what by what? 4 by 2. So I can consider it 4 inch and 2 inch. Okay? In this case, we slide it vertically and we can slice it horizontally. In case of horizontally, what do you think the shape will be? It will be parallel to the up base. And lower base, down base. So it will be like this. It will be in this shape. If we slide it horizontally, you will find it this shape. Its dimension is 4 and 3. Okay? So it's different between slice it vertically and slice it horizontally. It will give you, yes, 2 rectangle, but with different dimension. Okay? Okay, let's take another example. What do you think if we slice this pyramid horizontally and vertically? Horizontally, if we slide it horizontally like this, okay, you will find parallel shape to the base, and the base here in the shape of square because or rectangle. Its dimension is 0.7 feet, 75 feet, and 0.6. So it will be in the shape of, if we draw it, you will find it as a square rectangle. So each cross side is a rectangle. First cross side, second rectangle, third, but different with different dimensions. Why? Because it's get lower or smaller each time you're going up. But if you take a cross section, but in case of vertical way, like this one, okay, you will find the cross section is considered as triangle. So it will be like triangle like this with height 0.9 and base 0.6. That's it. Okay. Okay. Another example. A truck needs a metal divider that separates the refrigerated part of the truck from the dry food, okay, or dry goods, okay. I want to slide it into two parts, this truck, okay. So I need a metal section to slide it into two parts to separate the refrigerated zone from the dry zone. This part is the shape of what? We will look to the front. The front here in the shape of what? It's rectangle. Its dimension is 10 and 8. So the slide will be in the same dimension, which is 10 and 8. This is a cross section. Okay? Find its area, and we know that area of rectangle equal length times width, which is 10 times 8, 80 feet square. So the metal divider will be 80 square feet. Okay? Okay, what about that right one here? Draw cross sections that created when vertical plane intersects the top vertex and the shorter edge, okay, of the base of a pyramid shown here. What is the area of cross section? First, we have to imagine what is the cross section. Cross section here in the shape of triangle. So it will be like this. This triangle has height 4 inch and base 7 inch. And to get its area of triangle equal half times base times height, which is equal half times base here is 7 times height, which is 4, and at the end equal 14 inch square. Okay, this is how to solve. Again, take an exercise about it. So cross section is very easy lesson to understand by yourself. So it's easy to solve it. Use the diagram to answer the question. Draw the cross section that is formed when the pyramid is sliced vertically through its vertex and its right face. Okay, right face. Okay. Through its vertex and its right face perpendicular to the base. Okay. To get, we know, all of us know that it will be this slice, the vertical slice, will be in the shape of a triangle. Okay, but what about its height and its base? He told I need from the right side, which is here. So this is considered the base, and this one is the height, because I need the right. It's from the vertex and the right face. So base here considered as 3, and height is 1 for all, which is 10. So to get the rule, it will be area equal half times base times height, which is equal half times 3 times 10 equal 15 millimeter square. Okay? What is the area of the cross section? We already calculated. Okay? So the cross section is the shape of triangle and its area is half times base times height. And take care, if he told you, I need the sliced vertically through the vertex and the front, the base will be different. It will be 9. But with right or left, it will be 3. Front, backward, it will be 9. Okay, take care about it. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. See you. Bye.